What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. So today we're going to start my series of my free courses. The plan is to do some series of very short videos that teach you the very basics of charting. Okay. So I think part of the reason that most people fail or they get overwhelmed in the market. They get taught too much too fast, and they don't retain what's important. So I'm gonna in this series of videos and classes, I'm going to teach you how to chart for dummies, if you will. Extremely easy, very straightforward, and that's what we're gonna do. Do me a favor, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these new videos. If you're new to technical analysis, this is going to be right up your alley. If you've wanted to learn how to chart, I'm telling you, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to just go over candlesticks, what they are, very quickly, what to look for, how we use them, and it's going to be very straightforward. And also time frames and charts and what that means. I do recommend you download TradingView, at least the free TradingView account. By the way, there is a 70% sale going on right now. I'll leave a link in the comments if you want, essentially more money off that as well. Just follow the link. It's going on today. I think it ends today. I'm not 100% sure. And you can renew that every year. So it's essentially you're just constantly getting 70% off at all times. Um, so, um, so download your TradingView, and then you'll open up your super charts, and you'll see something like this. You won't see these buy or sell signals. That's my custom infinity indicator. It's what makes charting just and trading essentially overall extremely easy. But we're going to get into that later. Um, so in this class again, I want to cover candlesticks. So you can use if you go over here in your trading view, you'll see something like a little candle type bar thing. So you have different charts. You have bar charts, you have candle charts, you have line charts. We're going to be using candlestick charts and heikin ashi candlesticks. Um, so the difference between regular candles and heikin ashi candles is heikin ashi takes the average of. Okay, so it shows you a more um, it gives you a better understanding of what the market's doing. It doesn't really compensate for every little move. Heikin-ashi, I believe it means the average of. It actually is what it means in Japanese. Um, so I use Heikin-ashi candles almost exclusively, but you can use regular candles as well. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is just go and, regardless of what you're going to use, go ahead and star the candles. And again, you can do this with the free account. Okay, everything I'm going to be showing you, you can do with the free account. Um, so star the candles and star Heikin Ashi. And then go ahead, click on Heikin Ashi. And you should see two things right now. You should see here your regular candles and your Heikin Ashi candles, okay? And we're going to be going off the Heikin Ashi candles essentially for pretty much everything. If you trade regular candles, that's fine too. Essentially, so what does it mean, and what do candles mean, and what are all these different time frames? So before I get into what candles are, I want you to at least if you look next to the candles, you're going to see something like a D or maybe a few of these things. Probably not all of them, because I have starred different time frames, and I use these for different, essentially different styles of trading. So if I want to take a day trade, I may take it off the 1 minute chart or the 3 or the 5 minute chart. If I want to take something like a swing trade, I may go up like the 1 hour or the 4 hour. And if I want to take a longer trade, I may go off the day or the 1 week chart. Okay. So what does that mean? What am I talking about? So to do that, let's just start here. Okay. Go ahead and star your 1 hour. Okay, and then you can start the 5 minute. Let's just start there. Okay. Um, you having done that now, and if you need to pause the video, go ahead, pause the video and rewind the video to come back. But I want you to stay on track here because this is very important. So, again, you should see a 5 and a 1 after you've done this. So the 5 minute chart. So what does that mean? That means that each candle, each one of these individual candles right here is 5 minutes of time. Okay. So here's 5 minutes. This is the candle from 2:55 to 3 o'clock. This is the candle from 2:50 to 2:55. This is the one from 2:45 to 2:50. Okay, and so on and so forth. So each one of these candles is 5 minutes of time. If you then click on the 1 hour, guess what? Each one of these candles is 1 hour long. Okay, it's the same thing. So you're looking at, again, each one of these is yeah, I know you don't understand this, but the white area here is each one of these sets of 3 colors here is 1 day. And actually, I'm just going to make it even easier for you. Go ahead and click on regular trading hours here. Okay, and that will that'll take care of that there. I was about to say my trading view has been kind of wacky today, so again, we're on the hourly chart now. Each one of these candles is 1 hour. See, now you don't have to worry about that, what I just told you. You do have to worry about that for day trading. We'll get into that in another video. What I want you to take away from this video is that whatever time frame you're on, so if you were then to go back to the 1 day chart or the daily chart as it's called, how much is each candle? 1 day. Okay. And then if we were to go to the 1 minute chart, how much would each candle be? Yep, 1 minute. Okay, you see how that works? So here's 258, 257, 256, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's what that, in a nutshell, that's what candles are. That's what candlesticks are. That's the difference between heikin ashi candles and regular candles. Heikin ashi means the average of. And then the time frames you're going to be looking at are different. So again, if I was looking at something like a longer term trade, I would look at something like the daily chart, where each one of these is a day. Okay, so or the week, even the weekly chart. You could even go, if you're really a long term investor, you really want to be looking at like the daily or the weekly chart. If it ever loads up here. Come on, you can do it. Sorry, guys, my internet's been there. It is kind of funky. So, yeah, if you're something like a long-term investor, then you're looking at something like either the daily or the weekly chart. Where again, on the weekly chart here that we're at, the 1W, right? 1 week. Each candle is 1 week long. Okay. So it's pretty straightforward. And again, if you're day trading, what would you do? Then you just go something with something like the 1 minute, the 3 minute, or the 5 minute chart, where these plays you're looking to get in and out in a period of minutes, right? And we'll go into that deeper on another video. But that's really all I have for this video. I'm going to keep it nice, short, and simple for you guys. And please like and subscribe to the video so you don't miss out on any more of these. And leave a comment below. If there's anything that you would like to learn, or if there's anything that you did learn in this video that you found helpful, or stuff maybe I didn't touch on, leave a comment below. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.